I love living in Vietnam, but there are some things that I hate. One of the things I hate is because it's so easy to open a business here, businesses close all the time. And sometimes when something new opens, you love it, and then it's closed. So we had a local spot that was selling like a grilled chicken on a platter, like 7 courses of chicken on a platter. It was so good, but it closed. It's gone. So we got a new spot that just opened up in the old chicken spot. We're gonna go check it out. Let's see what it is. Another beautiful night in Saigon. We have been blessed with tremendous weather in Ho Chi Minh City recently. This new spot is like 2 minutes from us. Super, actually, hopefully it's open with the Tet. There it is, okay, it's open. Here we go. Banda cua, bún cá, bún mọc. Oh, they got bún mọc too. Banda cá. Okay, let's try it. They sell alcohol from Bao Lap City, and they have homemade ice cream. Oh, I wish you had ban can cala. Let's see what they got on the menu here. Oh, by the way, my name's Shaq Kubanoff. I'm a chef who's lived in Vietnam for more than 10 years now. But they have a crab soup with flat noodle. They have a fish soup with flat noodle, fish soup with rice noodle, pork soup with rice noodle. Banda cua ban cá, or banda cá, bún cá, bún mọc. All good. They advertise like this wine from the middle of the country where my wife is from, but all the food is from the north that they're selling. Let's see, are we gonna be happy that our old chicken spot closed? They got pickle bamboo, that's a good sign. What do I want? That's a good, what do you want? This is a hard choice. The problem is, banda cua and bún cá, we love that. But bún mọc, we also do like. My wife and I have the same dilemma of what to order. What do you guys want? Do you guys want banda cua or bún mọc? You want pork or fish? Bún mọc is the round rice noodle with the pork inside. It has the mọc meatball, and then it'll have pork rib inside. That's good. It's a good soup, bro. That's the problem. Very hard decision now. Very hard decision.
I'm going to you get.
You're gonna get what I get?
Yeah.
Very hard decision. Very hard decision. Banda cua? Okay, John, bún mọc. Liam's gonna get bún mọc too. Liam's getting pork. He wants banda cua. Oh, I heard you like that one. So we got a decent little herb pile. It's kind of nice. Shiso, bean sprout, shredded lettuce, and calamansi or kumquat. I'm surprised. My wife, she got the crab soup, so I got the pork. We'll share. Liam wanted pork as well. JD hasn't made her decision yet. She's still thinking about it. The place has like a lot of random things on the wall that they're selling. There's always signs. So they sell like tea by the kilo. They sell a homemade pumpkin tea that they make. They sell some honey over there, some kind of pressed fruit thing. And then they have the alcohol that they sell up front too. It's cool. But it is really a bummer that because it's so easy to open a business here, which I think is a huge advantage over the West. Because they can open it so quickly, they usually don't have a business plan, which usually means they didn't do their numbers, so they often close. So it's kind of like, it's a double-edged sword. You see a lot of businesses open, we see a lot of businesses close. That's a bummer. And the last spot that was in here, this like chicken tray thing, it was cool. I liked it a lot. Okay, there's a banda. Whoa! Did I catch that? I think I caught that. Oh, that's chopsticks. I like the chopsticks. I like the pattern. She's going quick. Are we going to be happy about this new vendor? Are we going to miss our chicken spot or be happy about our new fish spot? I didn't see a nod of approval. No nod. So this dish is named after this noodle, the banda. And then inside, there's a pork meatball. There's rau mung or morning glory. There's like a little egg cake, which is kind of different for this dish. Another meatball. Oh, I like that. Jalalot. That's like a grilled pork sausage with a lalot leaf. That's awesome. I like that. My wife will try that. She'll probably load it up with some bamboo, pickled garlic. We'll see. But the bún mọc is coming. Yes, and that is my big question. Are we gonna be so sad we lost our chicken tray, or are we gonna be so happy we gained a new fish soup? You never know. JD Pie, we're at dinner, my sweet lady, we're at dinner right now. My little sweet princess king, do you wanna eat something? Joy, oh, sweet girl. Jade, oh my goodness, I am knocking her little butt. Come on, baby. Ooh, bún mọc is coming. Yeah. Bún mọc. Okay. Were you tickling her? You tickle her armpit? That worked, huh? JD, we're eating dinner now, honey pie. We're eating dinner, sweetie. You okay? Sweet girl. You okay? We're gonna have dinner right now, okay? Yeah, you drool a little bit. That's okay. All right, so we got the bún mọc. So this is the mop itself. The dish is named after the noodle, the bún, and the sauce is the mop. And we have steamed ones, and we have 1 fried one, 4 steamed ones.
I got 2 fried ones.
You got 2 fried ones, bro? Oh, yeah. We got some elephant ear, some green onion. Good? Very simple, it's very light. It's a clean little bún mọc. It's not the most flavorful one I've ever had. And sometimes this pork rib inside, sliced pork, like just more options. This is kind of one protein, so that's okay. You all right? You like it? The ball? The meatball has a lot of sun inside, which is like a bone, a cartilage in there. It's kind of like crunchy, but that's normal, don't worry. I love pepper too. Oh, I'll take it. Come on. We just got a extra piece of fried fish. I'll take it. I'm not going to complain about that. I would say very, very, very simple bowl. Not bad, but not exciting. I'll throw some shiso in, purple perilla, some kinyoi, green perilla. I'm gonna do some of this pickled bamboo. I have some calamansi. Ooh, spicy. Well, that bamboo's hot. The crab cake, you happy with your choice? I think the bandako is probably better than mumma.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, the meat's the least favorite part. Whoa, that's spicy. I can get you something on the way home too if you really don't like it. But you know, the cartilage is good for your skin, Liam. Think of your skin. JD doesn't seem quite ready for dinner.
I like a bit of it here.
You don't? Yeah, be careful. I added a good amount in there. Bamboo is blowing me out. JD, she's out. Wow, deceivingly spicy. Yes, there he is. You've been out of the video for 10 minutes. People know you must have been somewhere.
Yeah.
It must be that time for Trees World Famous Toilet Reviews. How's the bathroom, young man?
Not bad, to be honest.
That's pretty good. Is it clean?
It's a little wet.
Is there a light? Is there a toilet? Is there toilet paper? Is there a toilet seat? Is there a spray gun?
I think so. I'll buy you a check.
Is there a trash can?
Yeah, there's a bag.
Okay. Got a number?
Maybe 7.
All right, fantastic. Thank you so much. One more episode of Trees World Famous Toilet Reviews. Factor in a tree 7 could be a Western 5. If you're an American or Australian, and he has a very high rating. He is a toilet superhero. He has been to the worst of the worst, so he knows what a 1 really is. So we rate them well now. Well, we're eating bandako. You're just joining us. How do you feel? All right, cool. Liam is trying to eat something spicy. He wants to eat the bamboo. Trying to be a cool guy, showing his riz, impressing the ladies. I told you, it'd blow me out. And what do we got? Tuxedo. Remember Tuxedo? That was a good movie. JD's doing good. She must be full.
I can't touch anything with my tongue.
You dying, huh?
Yeah, needles don't work.
You alright? I told you it was hot. I'm glad you tried it though. Glad you pushed your chili palate. That's good. Yeah, cooling down. Get that hot soup to cool your mouth down. My Kubanov clan. KK. Banger coming out of that bowl.
Should I do it again?
You want to try?
Sure. 12 on 今天.
Wow. Look at that. Wow. Pretty impressive, young man. What are you practicing? Are you gonna do telekinesis? Sick, bro, you got it. You got it, 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 got it. Move it, don't give up, don't give up, you got it. 200,000, that's 50,000 a bowl, so $2 a bowl. Let's go. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what do we think? Are we happy with our new spot or do we miss our old chicken spot? Boo, is that right? All right, so let's start with you then.
Even though I didn't like the old chicken, this was kind of worse.
Yeah, why didn't you like the old chicken spot?
I don't know. The only thing I like.
Would you go back? What would you rate the soup?
Soup itself, good-ish.
Was the bathroom better than the soup? Okay. That's not a good sign. All right, bro, what'd you think?
I didn't really like.
Would you go back?
Not really.
Soup rating?
Probably like a 6.
Honey pie?
No, I'm not coming back.
You wouldn't go back. What do you want to rate your soup?
5.
A 5. My family is a foodie family. They understand. I'm not going back. This is one of the things I hate about Vietnam. I'm gonna miss my chicken platter spot. It's gone, and now the bun mop was not very good. Is it the worst bun mop I've ever had? Maybe. Very boring in flavor. Really only one kind of protein. And the protein was just, it's like just all swund, a little cartilage in there, which is fine. I'll take one of those, but not the whole thing. Yeah, unfortunately, it's a fail. It's a miss. It's not as good, and I don't think it's gonna last very long. Honestly, there was nobody in there. There was a four top that walked in later, but it didn't seem like the food was hanging out. Like the fish wasn't just fried. The fish was fried and was hanging out there. It wasn't that crispy. Yeah, bummer. And that is one of the things that does suck about here. You might have a spot that you freaking love. This has happened to me so many times. I have a vendor I love, and then one day I go and they're gone. And it's just like that, just like crap. Now they're gone forever. I don't know where they are. So as amazing as it could be how much food opens up in the city, it also is a downside that so much stuff closes as well. A little bit bummer, but that's fine. We will try again. We'll look for new food tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't seen any of our live streams that we're doing on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, Indochina time, AKA Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, they're awesome. We're having a lot of fun. They're really good. We do the stream on the channel you're watching right now, and after that we edit them and repost them on the CKSK YouTube channel, which I'll link down below, the new YouTube channel. I think you should check it out. If you like what I'm doing, it's really cool stuff. Check out the CKSK page, it's really cool. And if you want to go on a food tour with me, check out chadkubanov.com. And please give us a comment down below. Help us with the algorithm. It could be anything. Just thumbs up. Chad, you're great. Chad, you suck. Anything at all would be great.
Peace.